Hi, it's Vias Taro. Hello, all signs. Okay, so 7 days. Okay, next 7 days. Tingnan natin anong meron, anong mensahe. Okay, yung mga importante na mga kailangan ninyong malaman the next 7 days. Pasensya na sa aking boses dahil ako ay sinisipon. Malamig ngayon, no? Saan kayo ngayon? Malamig ba ngayon sa inyo? Anyway, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay, so yes, meron tayong mga charms dito. Ito yung pangtanggal natin ng blockage po, ha? Yung ating cord cut, pangtanggal blockage, panglahatan. Okay, para dumaloy ng maganda ang inyong papasok ang inyong mga gandang biyaya, so ito yung madalas na ipinapartner, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money. Okay, so meron siyang citrine stone, the merchant stone na sinasabi madalas, at ang alam ng lahat about citrine is the money magnet. Okay, money magnet po ang citrine. So nilagay natin dito sa love bracelet para hindi lang love ang iyong makukuha kundi money rin, no? So kung lalaki ka at gusto mo nun, you can put it in a red pouch, no? Kahit anong red pouch. Pero kung wala ka, pwede ka naman magsabi kay admin. Okay, gagawa ng paraan natin yan. And yes, yung ating granter, yung ating taga-grant ng inyong mga wini-wish, ng inyong mga minamanifest, no? Maganda kung walang blockage tulad nito. Okay, kung ikaw is mag-a-avail nito, samahan mo na nito. Huwag ka nang manghinayang. Okay? So, kung anong pwedeng ibigay nito sa'yo, lalo na, okay? Lalo na kung wala kang blockages, edi okay, mas maganda. Kung may blockage ka, maiipon lang. Okay? Yung mga magagrant nila pagdating sa'yo. Hindi siya papasok. Bakit po, madam? May blockage nga. Kung may blockage ka, hindi yan papasok kahit ano pang gawin mo. Okay? So, yung mga blockage na yan, hindi natin alam kung saan nanggagaling. Pero, job description nito is to, remove your blockages. Okay? So, let's see. Yes, meron din tayong protection from evil eye, okay? Kung gusto mo lang naman ng protection from evil eye, meron tayo niyan. And, syempre, hindi tayo papawala ng cleansing kit. Opo. No, napaka-importante niyan pagdating sa ating mga charms. So, eto. Yes. Na-advise ko rin, pero hindi naman masyado pagdating sa kanya. Dito lang sa dalawa. Okay? Kung meron pa kayong ibang charms, yan, pwede rin yun doon. Cleansing kit. Ang laman po niya ay white sage and selenite crystal. Yes. So, let's start the reading. This is for the next 7 days for air signs. Okay, air signs. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong kailangan mong malaman, air sign? The next 7 days for air signs. Okay, the 10 of Wands in reverse. Death. Okay, so merong mga iaalis. Okay, may mga iaalis, may mga idadrop. Iba dito, merong mga magre-resign. That's specific, not for all. Okay. So, yeah, the Hermit. May mga susubukang bago. Merong mga iaalis, pero may mga idadagdag. Okay, na bago. Some of you, ikaw itong magdadrop ng isang Scorpio. Magdadrop or you're just like throwing a white towel. Okay? Surrendering. Parang ganun. What else? The Empress in reversed. Again, the Hermit in the reversed. Yung may mga issue dito, yung matagal nyo nang hindi nakakausap, lalo na nanay mo, tatay mo, anong meron? The next 7 days. May progress. Ako nakikita dito. Pwedeng magkausap kayo, magkita kayo, magkamabutihan, maging okay. If ever may offer ako nakikita in general here, somebody will reach out. Somebody will take action. Okay, may magpapakumbaba. This next 7 days. Okay? Some of you na hindi masyadong pinagbibigyang pansin ng love, there's an energy, okay, an offer, an opportunity na makakilala, okay, romantic, the next 7 days for you. Okay? Queen of Cups in reversed. What's with that? The High Priestess in reversed. Meron nangangailangan dito na water sign, Taurus, ng sagot mo. Okay, may mga ngailangan. Kukulitin ka ng kukulitin nito by the next 7 days. Kukulitin ka niya ng kukulitin. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron. Kailangan niya ng answer from you. Water sign. And Taurus. I'm hearing Taurus. Okay. So there. Next. Fire signs. The next 7 days for fire sign placements. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. The Wheel of Fortune. Your first card. The Wheel of Fortune. What's with that? So, parang nasa tamang timing everything the next 7 days. Nasa tamang timing lahat. The Sun in reverse. Okay? Meron ditong mga surprises na parating. Okay? Surprises. Yes. Yeah, the Page of Swords. Mga gugulat sa inyo. And I think this is something good. Okay? Basta nandyan si Wheel of Fortune na naka-upright. Okay? Meron kang biglang makikita or makikitang muli or makakausap muli. Pwedeng meron ditong bigla ang bibisita sa'yo or pwedeng merong magbibigay lang ng something. Okay? So, the energy is like a surprise. Okay? Nine of Swords. The Four of Cups in reverse. So, there could be an air sign and the water sign here na parang nasasayangan or nangihinayang sa'yo or manghihinayang. Bakit? Anong meron? Then, okay. The Nine of Wands. Pwedeng ito ay makakapagsinungaling sa'yo. Okay? Makakapagsinungaling and malalaman mo. Ba't ako nabubulol? Malalaman mo. Okay? So, hindi ko alam kung paano malalaman. Nandun yung energy ng madidisappoint ka, magagalit ka. Okay? And yun yung kinakatakutan nilang mangyari. What else? The Seven of Pentacles. Kunin ko to. Okay. The Hanged Man. Some of you, mga nag-expect, naghihintay. Anong meron? The Queen of Pentacles. Investing more on your health. Some of you. Okay? Pwedeng mababawasan na ang pagpapacheck up nung iba dito. Kasi parang, yes, nagiging mas healthy. Okay? Yung mga nandyan, yung iba dyan, lalo na yung conscious pagdating sa kanilang health. Okay? So, Yeah, that's nice. That is nice. May mga makakapansin ng pagbabago sa'yo physically if ever you're trying. Okay? Pagdating sa physical looks mo, meron kang ginagawang something. Yes, may mga makakapansin. Okay, yeah, there's changes, death, and the King of Cups. Yeah, that's like self-love, mga ganyan, self-care, mga pagbabago pagdating sa sarili. Anyway, so there, yun lang naman. So next, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So what's for you the next 7 days? The next 7 days ng mga water signs, anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay, the most important messages. Okay, let's see. Water signs, Justice in reverse. Some of you might be dealing with a Libra. What's with that Justice in reverse? Oh! Sige, maghintay kayo. Ano yan, madam? Ang ganda nito. Yes. Justice in reverse and the Six of Pentacles. Number 1. Anything legal na hindi naging okay, may chance na mabigyan ulit ng pagkakataon, okay, na maitama or kung ano man. Yung iba, pwedeng may ibibigay na sa inyo, mag-grant na, ma-accept na, parang may ganyan. Okay? Yung iba dito na pwedeng pera, pwedeng may ibibigay na sa'yo, pwedeng may maibibigay na. This is nice. Iba sa inyo pwedeng patungkol sa bahay. Yes, patungkol sa bahay, kung ano man. I'm hearing turnover. I'm hearing turnover. Not for all, pero may nakuha kong ganon. So what else? What else? Yung merong nagkakautang sa'yo, kung may nagkakautang sa'yo, water signs, pwedeng magbayad sila this week or the next 7 days. Page of Swords. You have a stalker. Some of you have a stalker. Somebody's eyeing on you. King of Cups. I think na doon yung energy ng parang love. Okay, okay. So, andyan naman yung pagiging matulungin mo, no? Oo, pagiging mabait mo, and yes, makikita yan ng ibang tao. Yeah, I'm hearing credits. Yeah. Okay, so some of you, meron kang isang magandang gagawin this week na pwedeng magiging maganda rin yung balik sa'yo. Okay? Hindi ko sinasabi yung specific because yes, we're talking here in general. So, kung ano man yung gawin mo pagdating sa iba this week, yun din ang balik. So, vice versa. Kung ikaw ay gagawa ng hindi maganda this week sa iba, be ready sa balik. Ha? Okay? Some of you, meron ditong magsisimulang connection. May magsisimulang connection. Merong hihingi ng sorry. Some of you, something na parang ginugusto mo, pwedeng mabibili mo na rin this week. Okay, the Queen of Cups. So, meron tayo ditong pair. Meron ditong pagkakamabutihan na kung nakikita or pagkakaroon ng fairness or yun nga, forgiveness. Meron akong nakikitang ganon. Strength in reversed. Somebody will sabihin nating lower down their guard. They will papahayag yung emosyon niya sa'yo. Yeah, magiging open siya. The Two of Swords in reversed. Could be a Leo. Yeah. The Nine of Cups. I'm hearing wish fulfillment. A wish fulfillment, something na pinagdarasal rin. Okay? Meron ditong sasagutin next week. Or meron na talagang papasok sa isang relasyon the next 7 days. Yes. Okay, so there. Marami ako nakikitang may nagkakagusto sa iyo, sa totoo lang. Maraming gustong kumonek actually, no? So next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So what's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share the video. Okay. So, thank you. Okay. Earth signs, the most important message you need to hear. This is for the next 7 days, Earth signs. Okay. The next 7 days for Earth signs. Chararan, the Nine of Wands in reversed. And the Star. This is healing energy. Yeah, see the Three of Swords. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. Meron ditong improvement na nakikita pagdating sa health ng iba sa inyo. Merong nagiging okay. Yeah. Excuse me. The moon. Dumaan kayo dito, actually. Dumaan kayo sa the moon. Dumaan kayo sa moon. Somebody na pwedeng ikaw itong talagang nadidepress na, nalulungkot na kasi parang feeling mo napaka-down mo, down na down ka, parang hindi nagagaling whatsoever. Pero yes, may energy dito ng healing. Okay? Somebody is mirroring you. They're trying to mirror you, pero hindi nila kaya. Could be a fire sign or a Pisces. They're trying to mirror you, pero they can't. They can't. What else? The High Priestess in reversed. And okay, and the Queen of Swords. Meron ditong mayayamot, magagalit sa'yo. Kasi meron silang something na gustong makita, malaman, pero I don't know, pwedeng hindi nila makikita. Hindi nila malalaman. Yeah. So, tong mga to, they're watching you. Okay? Kung anong meron sa'yo ngayon, ayaw nila yon. Lalo na kung napakalaki ng agwat ng nangyayari sa'yo at sa kanila. They're mad. They are mad. See? There's that distance. Malaking agwat. Some of you, they could be your friend. Ex-friend. They're watching you. May naghihintay ng reply. Kung hindi mo nire-replyan, yung taong yun, kung sino man specifically, they're mad. What else? The Seven of Wands. Some of you could try to, block situations, emotions, person. Yeah. This is, sabihin nating, pwedeng may susubok ng tiwala mo. Yeah. May susubok ng tiwala mo dito. Okay. Follow your intuition the next 7 days. Follow your intuition. If there's something odd, something uncomfortable, then there's something wrong. Okay? May mga instances na pwedeng mag-cause ng delay sa'yo. Okay? Gawin mong sign yun kung mapapansin mo na parang, medyo traffic. Yan. Hayaan nyo lang. Okay? Be calm. Iba naman sa inyo, kahit hindi traffic, pero meron kayo sinusundan na napakabagal. Be calm. Huwag kang okay? Huwag mo siyang lalagpasan. Yeah. You've been guided, actually. Ilalayo ka lang. Inilalayo ka kasi sa mga, sabihin natin, hindi magandang energies. Okay? So, huwag kayong magagalit. Okay? Bakit ganun hindi natuloy? Excited pa naman ako. Like that. Huwag niyo ipipilit. Okay? May mga madidelay something the next 7 days. Huwag niyo ipipilit. Ay, gawa natin ng paraan yan. Ganto, ganyan. No, don't do it. For me. Pero, it's up to you. Ikaw naman yan eh. Okay? Yeah, you've been guided. The Magician. Anyway, so, it's a sign, actually, diba? Magician. Universe is trying to tell you something. Universe is trying to connect. Yes. So, just look at the positive side of the situation. Okay, wag lang sa negative. Okay? So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And dyan sa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below yung ating love letter. So, again, thank you. Goodbye.